brush in my hand, mind at ease. Colors flow like autumn leaves. Smart graphics guiding me through. Every line brings something new. Layers blend soft as the air, creating visions without a care. From screen to soul, I find my way. A peaceful art in hues of gray. Step by step, line by line, crafting beauty. Take my time in the quiet, in the calm, where creation feels like a song. Each small click, a gentle breeze. Photoshop feels like poetry. Smart graphics leads, no rush, no race. Just the rhythm, a steady pace. I breathe in deep, I let it flow. With every stroke, I start to grow. No pressure here, just pure design. A simple joy, a state of mind. Step by step, line by line, crafting beauty. Take my time in the quiet, in the calm, where creation feels like a song. Layers blend soft as the air, creating